I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to add funds to your Payoneer app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Payoneer app. Launch the Payoneer app on your mobile device and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the Add Funds section. Once logged in, look for the Add Funds option in the main menu. This is where you can initiate the funding process. Step 3. Choose your funding method. Select your preferred method for adding funds. Options may include bank transfer, credit card, or receiving payments from other Payoneer users. Step 4. Enter the amount. Input the amount you wish to add to your Payoneer account. Make sure to double-check the amount before proceeding. A quick tip: if you're using a credit card, ensure that your card is linked to your Payoneer account to avoid any errors during the transaction. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Review your details and confirm the transaction. You should receive a notification once the funds are successfully added to your account. I hope this guide helps you easily add funds to your Payoneer app. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.